Everyone has to live somewhere, and everyone has to invest their money someplace. So what happens when where you live meets up with where your money is invested? Hello, real estate. Hey, welcome back to Big Money Real Estate. I'm Elise Glink. Here's your daily update. So today I've got an update from Nino Cicinava. I hope I'm saying that right. The principal economist for home remodeling and design platform Houzz. They have just released the Houzz Renovation Barometer for the first quarter of 2015. So these are great numbers to be getting. Nino, welcome back to Big Money Real Estate.
Great to be back, Elise.
So what is the barometer showing about home remodeling so far this year? I mean, we've had a lousy first quarter in terms of weather, but a lot of the remodeling that goes on is interior. So what are you seeing?
The Houzz Renovation Barometer tracks fluctuations in the home renovation market. We're seeing an uptick in professional confidence for improvement in the market. We're seeing an improvement in Q1 in the number of new inquiries, number of new projects, and the size of new projects. Oh. So these are the quarter-over-quarter gains in Q1 are very good, and we're also seeing a continued year-over-year improvement.
So I noticed in the data that you're seeing landscape and outdoor specialties. There's gains for architects, general contractors, and design build firms. Where do you see the most gain come from? Is it landscape and outdoor areas?
Usually the landscape and outdoor projects happen in the spring, so it is not surprising that the confidence amongst the landscape and outdoor specialties is especially high. But that the spring also marks the beginning of the construction season. So the fact that the general contractors are reporting widespread increases in their new business activity is a very good sign.
So when you guys look at the data, what people are posting on Houzz or what they're looking at on Houzz, what kinds of interesting projects are you seeing? Or is this just sort of, time to get to the garden, time to, regrade, or we're adding an addition? Where exactly do you think the growth is going to come from this year?
I think the growth will vary significantly across regions. In the Northeast, we're hearing a lot of replacement projects being put in place because of the record winter conditions, very high snowfall. There's going to be a lot of siding, exterior features replacements, a lot of roof replacement. In the South and in the West, there's continued improvement to the outdoor spaces, and the discretionary spending is up. We're seeing an improvement in the kitchens and bathrooms, and those are sort of the most popular of the interior spaces, and we're going to see an uptick in those spaces in the house.
That's really nice. What do you think people are going to be choosing as far as finishes go? I mean, are we leaving the era of granite and marble behind yet?
Marble in the bathrooms is still very trendy. So I don't think we're going to get away from that. Granite is at its highest continuously in the kitchens. So no, I think that because these spaces are expensive, because the remodels there are not very frequent, consumers continue to focus on more traditional materials, materials that tend to be more durable.
So you think that projects are going to continue, renovation projects are going to continue to increase in the second quarter, and that people are feeling really engaged and optimistic about that. What about the budgets? Do you think the budgets are going to be rising, or are we going to see a continued kind of main flat line for that?
We are seeing that the professionals are reporting year-to-year improvement in the size of the new projects and orders, and that is indicative of the budgets increasing. As well as the quarter-over-quarter in Q2, the home renovation market kicks into gear more so than in Q1, and so we're seeing very high optimism for the size of the projects to improve.
So people are spending more money and more projects are underway. That's really good news for the renovation market. Nino Cicinava is the principal economist at Houzz. Hey, thank you so much for our update.
Thank you very much, Elise.
And thanks for watching this episode of Big Money Real Estate. Are you remodeling? I'd like to hear about it. Send me your remodeling and renovation questions on Twitter and Facebook, not Quora. I'm not answering stuff there this week. And be sure to share this video on all your social media. Until next time, I'm Elise Glink.